I saw your invitation for the 16th of September. Could you please tell us more about it?
Yeah, 16th of September is actually our September festival is always annual festival. Yes. Annual festival, although one can say spiritual wise. That is, I mean, the actual date. Like in the last year, our 14th of September, but in this year, 16th of September. However, it's an annual event. I name it for children of the temple. Then under Alo-Sign Abuye Jinajabu. Yes, all festival I name annually. Then this is Malo. I am well many groups in the temple. Yes, including friends of the temple, children of the temple, members for the Restoration Evangelical Commission and consecrated group. Yes, governor will retire date here Jamaica. But this one I name in September. Now it comprises children of the temple. By just separate one temple, Ogbuefi Ezeana and ugochitubelu. Then the manner this year be very unique. And this year was special festival. Our special festival, my curiosity than this year may include the foundation laying of the place of worship of Chukwu Kepremi Henine. So all Nuku festival Kobo. Yes. Then enable the children of the temple, Amaligo, na fire participate. Whether Monya or Biarabia, no Nigeria, or Wundin abroad. The most important thing on that particular day, everyone all over the world, they will be able to face the ace so that they will be able to partake from the activities. So all spiritual activities that day come. Then I am quasi merriment, as you know.